Hi, my name is Jean Kropper. Thanks for stopping by. Meditative drawing is a technique that combines mindfulness with art, making mindfulness available and accessible to a whole new section of the community. These workshops provide participants with a creative outlet, give them a break from the world, and have substantial mental health benefits. Meditative drawing is essentially the process of drawing simple dots, lines, or shapes over and over to create a pattern or image. The simple physical act of repetitive drawing allows participants to slow busy thoughts and to calm the mind. Once learned, people can then use art as a device for themselves to clear the mind and control their moods at any time. Each session typically begins with a 5-minute art exercise, which is designed to help lower cortisol levels in the brain. The drawing topics we choose are different for each session. No prior skills are needed by participants. We use low-cost, easily available materials. Each workshop has a duration of either 60 or 90 minutes long. Towards the end of each workshop, participants can choose to show their work.
Oh, wow!
The reason I created the meditative drawing workshop was to address a need that I saw in the community. Many people do not seek mental health support, yet need that relief. And they may not be exposed to the practices of meditation and mindfulness. This gives people of all skill levels a vehicle for these mental health benefits with a low barrier to entry. Mental health issues affect nearly half of the global population, and these challenging times have highlighted the need to manage stress, uncertainty, and fear, and therapy is not the only answer. Researchers have used biofeedback to study the effects of visual art on the neural circuits of the brain, and uncovered biological evidence that visual art promotes health, wellness, and fosters adaptive responses to stress. It's easy art for a happier brain that an absolute beginner can do. Each workshop can be run live or pre-recorded and replayed at any time of the day to suit participants' schedules. You're welcome to attend my next free fortnightly Getting Started in Meditative Drawing workshop to get a feel for the experience and to see the benefits for yourself. Thank you.